thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. We have quiet conditions for the vast majority of us, an increase in clouds across eastern North Dakota. We have a cool front that is working its way through the Dakotas right now, and it is causing a couple of thunderstorms south of Bismarck and a smattering of hit and miss sprinkles and showers showing up on the radar up in the Devil's Lake Basin. First and foremost, south of Bismarck, heading into northern parts of Sioux County, a storm that's moving more southward, not severe, and that general trend will continue. South of the big lake, Devil's Lake, we're seeing some showers and thunder showers develop, and there has been a batch of sprinkle activity showing up in Walsh County, North Dakota as well. For us, we've seen darkening skies in Fargo, but that does not necessarily mean that it's going to be a wet evening. It's still warm, 83 degrees. That's the high temperature for the day in Fargo-Moorhead. A south wind at 9 miles per hour. Pleasant temperatures, Grand Forks. Some comfortable mid and upper 70s across northwest Minnesota, including Wadena at 77, Detroit Lakes at 79. Gwinner, right now, you are in the low 80s as well. Focus your eyes on the batch of clouds that extend from Winnipeg through the Devil's Lake Basin. I'll set things into motion, and by 10 o'clock tonight, you'll see that batch of clouds move into northwest Minnesota. And there'll be hit and miss showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder along this boundary as that cold front pushes through this evening. So by 10 o'clock, our northern counties will have a chance for some hit and miss sprinkles. It looks pretty dry here in the south, although I cannot rule out a renegade shower or thunder shower. Most of us will stay dry. Overnight, the progression of the cool front will continue eastward. It will clear out by morning. And some of you up in the lakes area, Lake of the Woods area, will see some passing showers in the deep overnight hours. 50s is where we start our day. Notice that we'll have some clouds and showers and thunder showers as we go through the morning hours along the South Dakota border, and those will continue into the afternoon. North of Interstate 94 and, say, Highway 200 should be dry throughout the day. It'll be breezy for many of us with a west wind. Some of us will get a south wind out of the cluster of storms that'll be trucking through the southern counties. Again, I don't expect severe in our area for your day on Thursday. There could be some strong storms down in South Dakota, however. And by your Thursday evening, most of us will enjoy quieting conditions. Anyone under those showers tomorrow, by the way, in southeast North Dakota could pick up healthy amounts of rainfall, much needed rainfall, really, to get the crops going and green things up a bit. Temperatures rising from the 50s. Mid to late morning in Fargo will be ramping up towards 80 degrees. And then in the afternoon and evening, we'll have a chance for some passing showers and storms, the best chance to the south. Temperatures near 80 for almost everyone for your afternoon. A gorgeous shot here by Wyatt in the Enderlin area of the sun setting through some budding trees. Here's your planning forecast. Friday, remaining cool. Then as we go through the weekend, we have called a first alert weather day for Saturday night late into Sunday, and another first alert weather day for Sunday night into Monday. Severe risk on both days, and it does look like it'll be hotter on Sunday as well. Next week, hit and miss showers continue, so maybe a chance to green things up. A little more detail, Mike, on the storm risk on Saturday. Storms fire out west and move eastward into the deep overnight. So it'll be really late and into your Sunday morning when we'll have a chance at seeing a few strong storms. A much better chance for more widespread activity in our area on Sunday. Your storm team has you covered.